For some animals, survival depends upon togetherness. For a tiny one, its whole world is its mother. The youngs of any species blindly rely on their mother because their mothers are not only their protector or provider, but also their real good friends. This is like an unbreakable bond for mothers have no reason to give her all to her next generation. Motherhood is the most expansive driving force for everyone. They rely on each other and create a family. A family made by several members. It is little, but families can be huge, big, and vast. A great number of species find safety in number. Species form bonds to enhance their chances of survival and the chances to further the bloodlines to maintain their existence.